Hi, it's Jason from Webbers. Today I am on the balcony of flat 11 Marine Court, which is a fantastic 3-bedroom top floor apartment with probably one of the most amazing views you can get out towards Appledore here. And who wouldn't enjoy your breakfast here or with a glass of wine on an evening looking at the actual sunset coming down over the horizon? This property is ideal for a holiday let. This is also a great second home. So if you're interested in this property, please call Webbers on 01237 472 344.